before we can jump into this video, we must pay homage to this moo, honey. Okay? This moo is giving. She's giving. She's giving my heritage. You must look at her in all her glory. She's giving everything she's supposed to give and then some. Okay? Alrighty, let's get on into this box, girl. As you can see, they packaged these boxes pretty darn well. So let me go ahead and just dig on into it, and then I'm gonna open it up so that we can see the contents that's inside, because I know that's what you're here for. So let me just go ahead and try to pop this thing open without breaking a nail. Okay, girl, here we go. You see the name of the bag on the box. Never been opened. Of course, again, it is packaged really, really well. Let me go ahead and pop all this bubble wrap off so that we can get to the nitty-gritty of what's inside. Again, I have no idea because, you know, I like to be surprised, just like y'all do, as to what's going to be in the bag. So, in the box, I mean. See what the bag looks like. So, let's go ahead and take this plastic off if I can get it off. Come on now, scissors, cut. I'm trying not to cut the box because listen, I know y'all be knowing that these boxes be used for decoration and stuff, and you just never know. So let me just be real careful in ripping everything off. Okay, wait, just give me 1 second. Okay, girl, here we go. Look at the box. Okay, you see the name on it. You see it right there. You see it? You see it? Don't ask me no questions, honey, because I already told y'all. Y'all know how the bag works. So let me go ahead and pop it open for you. Of course, you get your 2 little straps so that you can tote the bag and whatnot. And of course, inside you have your little mesh bag and everything with all your paperwork, all your authenticity cards and whatnot. You know, in case the man stop you or whatever, you can have your paperwork on hand. You know, you get your little ribbon with the name and the logo on it. And again, all your paperwork. You get the little envelope to put all your paperwork in so you can keep it together. You know, just in case, again, you know, the man stop you. Hey, we never know. Hey, not even the man. Somebody might stop you and be like, hey, let me see this pocketbook. Let me see if it's authentic or not. Honey, you can whip your paper out and your receipts and stuff. Now, we ain't finna fool with these papers like we did the last time. No, ma'am. So let me put all this stuff back so we can get to what you are really here for, honey. And that is the bag. I'm eager to see what is in this bag, okay? Now, look. Again, packaged really well. It's inside plastic. And Lord, here go that gift bag. Let me go ahead and fold the box up. Sit it up real nice. Because I know right now, I told y'all got this bag sitting in y'all closet somewhere for decoration, honey, in 2022. So let me go ahead and open up the gift bag for you. Because I know you got that in there too. Put that over here to the side so you can see it. And, hey, you might want to give this to a gift. You know, to somebody. Mother's Day is coming up, birthdays, whatnot, or whatever. You know, you can be real fancy and they think you got money and everything. And so, yeah, I'm put the bag over there and I'm put the paperwork right here. That where that little card there always fall out. I'm put that over there too. Now, here go the plastic that the little dust bag came in. But here is the dust bag, girl. Look at there. You see the name on it. You see the name? There's the name. Don't ask me no questions. I'll tell you one time. You see the name right there. So now let's open this bag up and see what it is. I'm excited because I don't know. Come on, come on, come on. Pull, pull, pull. Let's see what it is. Let's see what it is. Oh, the anticipation. Ooh, I see something already, honey. Again, packaged really well, as you can see. Everything is packaged well, and that's a good thing. Okay? Come on, all plastic. Come on, come on, come on. I probably should have edited that part out, but y'all know how I do. Okay, so immediately, I'm going to go ahead and take the stuffing out so that we can really get a good look at it, okay? Get all the stuffing and stuff out. Oh, what's this right here? Oh, the straps. So you get the straps in here in a little baggie or whatever, and it looks like, wait a minute now. I see something else. So anyway, here's what the bag looks like. Now, I know that this bag is looking real gray to you online, but really it's a grayish. Has a little bit of hint of gray in it, and it also has a little hit of tan in it. So I'm going to call it grayish. And it's more of one of those bucket bags. Now, what I see right away, company, if you're listening, and I know you do things the way you do things, and that's cool or whatever. However, I would have preferred if you would have went ahead and put the straps inside of those little golden holes for me instead of me having to do it because I'm just lazy like that. You know what I'm saying? All in all, though, the bag is really, really cute. And now you guys know this. I'm always going to give you the quality of how the bag is made. I'm not going to compare my bag to the bag, period. I'm just going to give you the construction of this bag, okay? So right now I'm looking at the strap because it looks like you get 2 straps, okay? Now, I'm going to have to apparently put the little straps through those little gold holes there. Again, I really wish they would have done that for me, but it's no big deal, okay? So I'm looking at the strap, trying to, figure out how it go or whatever. So I'm just going to stick it in this little hole right here, one of these holes. I don't know, child. I'll figure it out. But let me go ahead and, stick it in there. Okay. Got one in. Yeah. I don't think that I'm doing it right, though, at this point. No, not doing it right now. So just bear with me. I'm showing you the whole process, sis. I'm showing it to you because if you get a bag like this and it come this way, you probably gonna know how to do it, but I don't know how to do it. So let me just go ahead and try to figure this thing out. So I think I'm just gonna go across, maybe. Still don't quite feel like it's right, though. I might need to go on the site and look at how it's really done, because I'm not feeling that this is the right way, but we're gonna roll with it for now. Now, at the end of these little straps, there's a little knot, and I know that knot is to keep it from sliding through those gold holes once you pull it together like that. Okay, well, maybe I did it right. I don't know, but it did come together. Now, you can adjust those knots so that the bag doesn't open up really wide, and you can kind of control how much of the bag opens up. So you can tie those knots, to whatever length you need them to be, basically, is what I'm trying to say. So that's, I think, what I'm trying to do here is just figure it all out, here or whatnot. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. Looks like it might be right. And you just slide that little piece right there up, and then it closes the bag up. Yeah, that looks right? Did I do it right? Let me know. Somebody down in the comments, let me know. And then I'll go on the site and just, double check to make sure. Now, here's a longer strap that is adjustable. Okay, you can adjust this, which means you can either put this over your shoulder or you can use it as a crossbody bag, either one. Now, here's a shorter strap that you could also hook on the inside if you don't want to use the super long strap. If you want to just carry it as a tote, or, my favorite way, put it in the cuff of your arm. And I'm going to show you always here in just 1 second on how this is going to work. So right now, I'm just going to go ahead and hook this long piece together here, and then I'll show you what it looks like all 3 ways. Okay, so we have our straps hooked on. We as you can see, you have your long strap on, and now we're going to apply the shorter strap, which you can use as a tote again, or you can put in the crook of your arm. Again, I'm going to show you how all three of these pieces look here in just a minute, but I'm just hooking them on here for right now. So you have this look, you have the long strap this way, and then you have your little pouch that is on the inside, which is right here. This little pouch right here can either be hooked on the inside and just hang down in, or you can just put it down inside to just carry things that you don't want loose out, that you want to grab fairly quickly when reaching into your bag. So super cute. Look at that. You can even carry this without either bag if you just wanted to just carry it in your hand and just go. Just like have a few things in here. You can just go. It has the, the emblem on the inside as well. Does have a little strap on it that you can hook on the inside. Probably actually on the other side as well. I just hadn't looked that far just yet. But let's see what all these pieces look like together. This bag go here. What I tell you. Don't you say nothing to me. Don't say nothing to me out in these streets. Don't speak to me. Let me buy. Let me be, honey. Because this right here, when she got her bag like this, that woman mean business, honey. She is on a mission. And she mean business. She ain't playing no games with y'all when this bag is right here in this crook. Okay? Even if she's like this, honey, she is handling her business. Let me go on up. Look at her. She handling her business. You ain't said nothing to this lady right here. Perfect size bag for those of you who don't like super large bags and you don't want a super small bag. This is what I would consider a medium. And again, open her up. Get out what you need, honey. Out your little extra. And look how cute that is. I told you. It's something about a woman with a bag and a matching something on the inside. It's something about her. And it's even more something about her when she like this. I'm telling y'all, I'm about to be acting funny because I'm about to put the church lady Easter Sunday pocketbook up. And this is what I'm finna be toting right here. This is what I'm about to be told. Get prepared. Just go ahead and get prepared. Look at me. I have a Louis bag or whatnot. And of course you have this to tighten up. And again, you can adjust these knots here at the end to make them closer to this so that it doesn't open up as wide when you're opening up your bag, right? It opens up as wide. And don't forget, you get an extra little pouch with the logo on it. And this right here is what really sold me for this bag, okay? And again, if you don't like light colored inners on your bags, there's always liners that you can put inside to keep the inside clean. But I'm going to show you how I'm going to clean the other one that I have as well. So shout out to the company, which I will link down below. Any codes that they give me, anything like that to save you guys some coins, it will be linked down below in the description bar, as well as the name of the company across the screen of this video. And I hope you enjoyed today's bag reveal. Your girl got her the bag to be doing the most with her moo on, and she is gonna catch you in the next video. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.
Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know, ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time, needed some time to grow. Just wanna let you know, ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. Ready to talk, baby, can be your rock, baby. Please come and sit with me, or take a walk with me. I need to speak to you, just wanna be with you. Just let me take you for a ride. It's Is there a chance that we could make another try? I think we meant to be, didn't wanna say goodbye. If there's a chance, just tell me how. Cause time is precious, time is now.